Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by getting an elevated command prompt. You need an existing admin credential. Once you open Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Make sure to accept the user account control prompt so the shell runs with full privileges. This step matters because every following action requires an elevated token. Without it, you cannot enable or modify the built-in administrator account. Once the prompt appears, you're ready to run the commands that follow. You now enable the built-in administrator account to run Windows as admin. In the elevated command prompt type, netuseradministrator/active, yes, and press Enter. This flips the account on. Next, set a secure password with netuseradministrator your P at SSW0'd, choose a strong, unique phrase, and replace the example. Do this because the built-in administrator runs with full privileges and avoids common permission barriers. It's intended for configuration and recovery tasks. Once set, proceed to sign out. You finish by signing out and selecting the administrator account at the Windows sign-in screen using the password you set. Once signed in, you have full administrative rights. To run specific apps with elevated context, right-click and choose Run as Administrator, or use the elevated shell you opened earlier. Make sure to disable the built-in administrator when finished with netuseradministrator/active no to reduce risk. If enabling failed, restart into safe mode, or verify local group policy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.